Here, a consideration is generated because of the agreement of not providing similar technical services for a period of 8 years. So here it is to be taken as the event of not performing an act. Consideration generated for not performing an act. Since here the consideration is generated for not performing an act, it is to be taken as supply of services as per section 7 subsection 1A of CGST Act 2017. Now here ABC Consultancy Limited is the person who agreeing to not providing such an act for 8 years to any other clients, and on that ground, on this agreement, CBA Limited makes payment rupees 45 lakh to ABC Consultancy. Here, since it is taken as supply of services, because it is to be taken as consideration that is being generated for not performing or not doing an act, so it is to be taken as supply of services, and for it the amount of consideration that is generated, that means rupees 45 lakh, is to be leviable for GST. So here GST is to be payable on the amount of rupees 45 lakh. If it is assumed that it is here in the question it has been stated that, here in the question, if we learn the question carefully, it is clearly stated that CBA Limited is not ready to pay any further amount to ABC Consultancy Limited in addition to the amount already paid. That means this is the total amount that is being paid by CBA Limited to ABC Limited. It will not pay any further amount in addition of rupees 45 lakh. What does it means? Here the provider of services is ABC Consultancy and recipient of services is CBA Limited. Now here, since ABC Consultancy is a registered body, registered person, it is liable to pay GST. Now here, since supply is made within state, here it attracts both CGST and SGST. Now these amount of CGST and SGST are to be payable by ABC Consultancy Limited to the government. Now, since the amount of rupees 45 lakh is the gross amount, that means here the recipient of services will not make any further payment to ABC Limited. It is to be taken that amount of GST is already included on rupees 45 lakh, and since the rate of GST is 18%, if we assume that the consideration that is to be received by ABC Limited excluding GST is rupees 100, since rate of GST is 18, here the total amount including GST is rupees 180, and since the total amount is to be taken as rupees 118 and the amount of GST is 18, here the amount of GST comes to rupees 45 lakh into 18 by 118, and amount of GST are to be segregated between CGST and SGST. So here the CGST will be taken as 45 lakh into 9 by 118, which comes to rupees 3 lakh 43,220, and SGST will be 45 lakh into 9 by 118. It will be the same amount, that is rupees 3 lakh 43,220, and the net consideration, that means the amount of consideration that is received without GST, excluding GST, will be rupees 45 lakh into 100 by 118, which comes to rupees 38 lakh 13,559.